So we have the male and female. Male is the one we've been looking at, and then here's the female. They both have cloaca. They both have urinary bladders, obviously. The male, so you find the large intestine from the previous unit. This bumpy structure is the bladder, urinary bladder. In the male. In the female, it's this clear sac, but it's in the same location because here's the large intestine. There's the bladder. They both have kidneys. Easier to see from behind. So the gray, smooth area. And there's two, but I'm just going to show you one.
What's it behind? Just
well, like you can see it from the front. It's
okay.
Just easier to see from the dorsal side. Same with the female. Kidney looks the same. Okay, so now just male stuff. This is the cloacal glands. Two testes. Here's one of them. The other one's over here. And the epididymis, just like the other animals, it's going to be in between the testes and the ductus deferens. So the squiggles are the ductus deferens. I'll go back to that epididymis. So ductus deferens, all the squiggles. The epididymis is the cranial part of the kidney. So the kidney gets really skinny, but you can see the gray tissue continue, and you can see all these vessels from the testes going in and out of it, and then it's next to the ductus deferens. So that's the epididymis.
so skinny part of the kidney.
Yep, and then it's cranial to the kidney. Okay, that's it for the male. Female. So I'm not going to go in the same order as the paper, but all these orangish spheres are ova that have, yeah, those are the popcorn.
Team popcorn.
That have exploded from the ovary. So just like in humans, when we ovulate, one egg explodes out of the ovary. So, but here we have a whole bunch. Those are mature ova. If you look really closely around it, you can see little lighter colored bumps. Those are immature ova. So the tissue containing those is the ovary. Okay. All these squiggles are the oviducts. So what happens is the ova pop out of the ovaries, then have to travel cranially in the body cavity to get into the oviducts. And the opening to the oviducts, so there's two, I'm just showing you one side, is way up here. There's the opening to the oviduct, and that's called the ostium. Mesovarium is, just know it's tissue that suspends the ovaries. And then these guys have internal fertilization. So the males make a spermatophore, which is like a packet of sperm. Travel out of his cloaca into the female's cloaca. She has cloacal papillae inside that help bring in the spermatophore. And then,
So that's just inside.
yes. And then the egg will travel through the oviduct and collect jelly and then get fertilized in there and then come out the cloaca. So internal fertilization.